I hit this issue today and hit S the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to disable biometric login on your Visible app, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Visible app. Launch the Visible app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Account Settings. Step 3. Find Security Options. Scroll down until you find the Security section. This is where you can manage your login methods, including biometric options. Step 4. Disable biometric login. In the Security section, look for the toggle switch next to Enable Biometric Login. Switch it off to disable the feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your choice. Make sure to select Yes or Confirm to finalize the changes. Sometimes, users forget to save their settings, so double check that the toggle is off before exiting the app. I hope this helps you manage your login preferences. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.